Hey everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Feb, and today we're looking at the Cleric palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. It's another one in their series of classes from gaming, really, I guess. I play EQ2. I have two Clerics, an Inquisitor, which is kind of like an evil battle healer, I guess, and a Templar, which is good aligned and mainly uses spells, and I don't really care for the class, to be honest, but you know, you got to try them all, right? So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful stained glass appearance, as with all of these series. And then inside we have a handy mirror, again with a continuation of the theme. And then these are the shades. So we've got 4 mattes at each point and then 5 shimmers. So let's get swatching. Starting with Shrine, which is a super pretty colour. It's a very green, mossy green, almost kind of heading towards a mustardy green, you know? This is the reason why I bought the palette, this shade Balm, which is exactly the sort of colour that I love so much. And then we've got Sanctuary, a gorgeous deep blue. Their mattes are immaculate. And then finally the white, which is called Heal, and it's a good white. Okay, let's have a look at the shimmers. Picked up a little bit too much of that blue. Okay, we've got Bless, which is a stunning white. Look at that, oh my goodness. It's got a translucent base, but it is super shiny and gorgeous. Restore, which is a silver. And oh my goodness, it looks almost gold. Oh, that is so nice. That's not what I expected, honestly. Love that. And then Relic, which looks like this. It's a green gold. Absolutely gorgeous colour. And then we've got Devotion, which looks like that. Very pretty blue. And then Omen, which looks like that. It's a typical purple silver. It's kind of got a bit of a red base, really, rather than purple, I'd say. That is gorgeous. Okay, that's it. That's the whole of the palette. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think about it. Did you pick it up? And I will see you soon for the next one. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.